afternoon, sir. We are the team Electro JJ from second year Electronics and Telecommunication Department of Dr. JJ Makdum College of Engineers. So, sir, let's start our presentation with the problem statement first.
As you can see, sir, there are the 28% of the population in US and even in India. They are struggling from the because of noise. They can't sleep well. So for that, we are inventing a new product which is known as sound scraper.
So, sir, as we have seen the problem statement. So, sir, as we have seen the problem statement that the people are facing certain issues, certain sleep issues or focus issues due to the external noises, external traffic noises. Now, I live in Karad, Malkapur. That is, highway is very near to that. So, highway noises are very disturbing. So, even if you sleep at night, if you live near highway areas or that areas, even in sleep you can feel the noises coming from the traffic and the cars going on. So, there is a lack of focus, concentration, or lack of sleep. Studies say that from the total population, 11% of population face disturbance from the noises in the daytime, and 4% of population get disturbed due to noises in the night time. So, considering this aspect, to improve focus, if someone want to study, so to remove all the noises, we are developing a product. Means currently it's just idea type. We are studying more on it, and we are going to develop this year. So the product name is Sound Scraper. Now, if you hear the name Sound Scraper, the first thing coming in our mind is the skyscraper. We can say that. And this image can produce in our mind, but this is not the design. Our actual design in the rough model is something like this. Let me explain you its working. So this device will work like active noise cancellation device, but on a large scale. Now currently we are using active noise cancellation technology in just our TWS headphones, that is Bluetooth headphones or over-the-ear headphones, and it is for very small scale. Means only the user can get the experience of what is noise cancellation. But this machine will have the noise cancellation effect in the whole room. Actually, if outside noise is coming in the room, we get disturbed. If you want to focus, if you want to study, or if someone wants to even pray, or for a good quality sleep, we don't want external noise. So this machine will produce the negative waves. If the sound is coming from outside, this machine, with the help of its microphones, it will actively detect the noises that are coming from outside. The sound will go inside, then amplifier, the sound will go in the amplifier. The amplifier will generate the same white signal, and white signal will come out from some vents or some prototype like will go outside and cancel that noise. And in this 160-degree area of this machine, we can experience silence across certain distance, like 4 to 5 meter distance, what we have set in this machine. So it will cancel all the noises coming from outside within that range in that room. So the user that is within the range of this machine can experience a silent environment. So this is the actual design of this machine. So this is a rough design. As you can see, it will contain amplifier and all that basic things what TWS earphone have. So while we see the working, it just works like our TWS headphones. So now the question can arise in our mind. If we want active noise cancellation earphones, that they are priced very high, from 2000 they are starting. But considering that technology is very small, like that machine should fit in our headphones, this one small headphone, so it cost much more. Our machine will be with the size of a box, and that size of box means we don't have to use small high cost elements. We can reduce the cost by just using some common elements and common amplifier that is available in the market, price range of 1200 to 1500. So we can implement that in our machine, and by attaching some other components to it, extra components, we can complete this machine. So overall costing of this machine will be 3000 rupees by considering all the amplifier buttons. If you want to implement a display, Rough estimate is 3,000 that we have calculated, but it can go up to 4,000, and that machine will be ready in 4,000 rupees. And after that machine producing, we can specify our margins and sell it in the market. So now the question can come in our mind: so why to purchase this device? Because it actually cancels noise from traffic that is coming from outside and from unwanted noises, even in the home. Maintenance silence in the space where the machine is working. When the machine is working, we can experience complete silence in that area. Promotes quality sleep in city and noisy areas, and all that you can give. Now, how we will sell this machine? The first is social media marketing. Now, I am a YouTube creator, and I have completed more than 20 product sponsorship. So, from that, I have learned that when we market a product online, it gets sold very fast, and very high demand is on the social media. And also, we can explain our product properly via videos or some other stuff. So, on the social media, we can properly describe our product, gain customers, gain their reviews, and then sell it to the large scale. And also, sir, within a month we are going to launch a startup. So we are also planning to develop this product as quickly as we can, and via startup we can make further planning for this product. So now, sir, about the conclusion.
Sir, this product will provide a user-friendly and simple solution for the day-to-day problems such as because of noise we cannot sleep. So it will provide it have the advanced technology we can use. It will be operate on the app and etc.
So this all our Thank you.
What the wavelength of such noise cancelling waves? As you have said, certain things will be sensed and accordingly negative waves will be produced.
There is difference of 4 decibels, what you have studied till now. Means up to 4 decibels, the now noise need to be cancelled. So that waves will be produced accordingly in the amplifier.
It will reduce the intensity by 4 decibels.
Ha.
Right now I have just Googled it. Find that such things are not
Ha.
working at all.
Yes, this idea is not.
It will cancel only a small noise. Large noise cannot be cancelled. Just I was looking that because I was not aware about the wavelengths. That's why I was curious to understand how the noise cancellation can be. Alright, earpod it might be something that is in a large room. The idea itself will be very difficult to be fixed for a technical person. Just I have Googled because my understanding of this is very good. What I find is that it can cancel up to some scale. It's not going to hurt. You know the decibel level of a horn. Honking is going on. You said in the presentation, noise of traffic. What is the intensity of that? That has to be one. And we find that reduction of 4 decibels is not working. It cannot create a full silence. It can just reduce the intensity. Unless and until that intensity can be reduced up to a considerable level, silence cannot be gained. Is what technically I can understand. Basically, what even in, if you can say, in theaters we have some sound absorbers, and they are quite cheaper. Once installed, lifetime they can be available with us. So see, we can able to divide because such equipments are quite tricky. So in initial phase we might feel that it is working. Then once you install that, its efficiency is always under question. Probably I would like to buy that for my department because I always find good number of students are making noise outside when my lecture is going on. Isn't it? So obviously I would like to have such noise cancellation. But if technically I go, I don't find that that much noise reduction is possible, but you can claim that ultimately it is something that will attract the mass. आणि जिथं खूपच गरज असेल तिथं लोक पहिलाच साऊंड प्रूफ रूम बनवून घेतात.
Yes, sir.
In our institute itself, we have good number of discussion rooms, library is there, other discussion rooms for faculty and all like that. That's soundproof. Once done, then it will not require any sort of alteration. You are going to have such products. Make sure that technically you are good enough to explain. मी मस्त म्हटलं मोबाईल माझा इथे ठेवला की बाहेरचा आवाज येणार नाही. त्याच्यातनं असे वेळ सुनणार ते कॅन्सल करणार नाही. Because what you explained is one active sound can be neutralized by introduction of passive sound. Is what I have understood from your figure technique.
काही प्रॅक्टिकल यामध्ये जे आहे फायनान्शियल सायन्स आयडिया
Yes, sir. करेक्ट आयडिया लेवल आहे ते आपण पुढे डेव्हलप करूया.
तर तुम्ही एका महिन्यात स्टार्टअप लॉन्च करतो म्हटलं म्हणजे तुमचं हे सगळं स्टडी तयार पाहिजे. एक महिन्यात तर आमचं डोळे कापूपर्यंत उघडेपर्यंत एक महिना.
नाही सर, स्टार्टअपसाठी वेगळे प्रोडक्ट्स आहेत.
This is not only for
हा नो, दिस इज नॉट
अजून अभ्यास या पर्टिक्युलर या प्रोडक्टवर सेम एकदम प्रॅक्टिकल सोल्युशन. आणि जर जसं तुम्हाला हेडफोनमध्ये एखादी कंपनी घालू शकते तर ट्युनिंगसाठी का बनवत नाही, बनवू शकत नाही, का बनवत नाही त्याला काही प्रश्न आला जे सेम करणार मला इफ यू सी द स्पेस इन बिटवीन ते कारण का होत नाही तर मग त्यात दिवसात त्यात तुम्हाला करू शकतो. पण जर त्याला प्रॅक्टिकली चॅलेंजिंग काम असणार असेल डोंट वेस्ट थोडा रिसर्च करा, नीड मोर नंबर्स. अजून आयडिया स्टेजवरती आहे बट स्टील थोडा प्रोटोटाईप आला जर तुमच्याकडे अजून स्टार्टअपमध्ये दुसरे आहेत प्रोडक्ट हे प्रोटोटाईप स्टेजवरती आहे आम्ही पण ते दिवस पण ह्याला बघा प्रॅक्टिकली प्रॉब्लेम्स वाटतात. सर्च करा, सगळे रिसर्च आवडून आजूबाजूला आय गेस ही ऑल्सो नोट समथिंग राईट. इथंच आहेत लोक, तुम्ही एकमेकाशी बोला. यानंतर झाल्यावर पण ना एकमेकांना थोडं नॉलेज शेअरिंग करा.
म्हणून कॉलेजचे collaborate with us in a very good way. This competition itself was organized for a bunch of say institutes because we want to collaborate. At our level, we have a urge to collaborate. Student is the central point. फक्त ADCET साठी आम्ही केलं असतं.